So I was out here today cleaning up my brackets, me and House Wolf, and look who showed up. Hey dude. A little, you bundled by the heater?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's still pretty cold out, but he come out, he's gonna practice welding. So I'm gonna grind on my stuff. You wanna do a little project? Alright.
That didn't work.
That didn't work, so I started out grinding some little scrap pieces. He still might do that, but here's another project I've been saving. I've been grabbing all these gears, and we can weld them together and make some sort of wall art out of it, okay?
Yeah.
Cool?
Yeah.
You come up, try not to make it look like a wiener. You come up with your design, I'll grind it clean, and you can burn it together, okay? You like that?
Yeah, I like this, but the chain.
The chain? Yeah, I don't know. You can put the chain anywhere. You can go from here, you can put a weld there and a weld there.
Like, I want it to be like straight.
Straight across. We can do that. We'll put the chain in last.
Yeah.
Alright, let me grind some fresh spots. And you can burn.
Alright.
Awesome. So you want it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Here you go.
Okay, we had to move it closer to the welder.
Right there, so.
And we changed the design.
Yeah.
Alright, you wanna go for it?
Yeah.
That's good. Oh, looking good, man. Okay, let's go. That's a good burn, buddy. Good one. Oh yeah. That one got it. He's okay, he's in there. You're gonna burn your snoot. Get off, it's hot. You're gonna burn your paws and your snoot and everything. Is that pricking your, oh, that your boy's doing that? He's okay. Don't tell mom though, okay?
I'm gonna tell mom.
Dude, that's a really good weld. Those are two different thicknesses of metal, probably two different kinds of metal. You smell that oil burn it? Yeah, probably should have cleaned that better. Kind of like that. That's not bad, dude. We could weld the chain to this piece first.
Yeah.
We could put it up in the vise. You can weld right in there. And then, yeah, and then we can come back here and weld it to that. Want to do that when we set it up in the vise?
Okay.
So you're not bent over. Having fun? Ooh.
Technical difficulties.
Technical difficulties. Please stand by.
I think I just blew a breaker. Does that work or is it off? Shit. I had the heater going.
More power, son.
That is on the same breaker. Okay, there you go. Now who wired this garage?
Game on!
Yeah, game on.
There you go.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, good one. Good one. She's smoking. So bring your torch in like at this angle and
Yeah.
just hit that crack.
Alright.
Okay. Pretty fun project, huh?
Yeah. Better than my school project, that's for sure.
They don't do this in art class? They don't weld my vise. You got the chain, I'll go up a little higher on the wall.
Right here?
Sure. Oh yeah, you got her.
Wait, I'm gonna do a big blow.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
You want to do the best part of welding?
What?
Okay, loosen the vise for me.
Alright. Left, I'm guessing.
Lefty up, yep, up. Be careful, it's hot as balls. Okay. Make sure you don't bump your leg with it. Dip it.
Cover it. Yes!
Alright, then we'll come back later.
Okay. It's just this annoying helmet.
You can pull the helmet off. That's awesome. Nice, man. That's kind of fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
You want
Alright, let's see if we hear it again.
it? It should be cool off by now.
Oh, it's still melting like
Is it
crazy.
still melting? Bang it around, get all the snow off. That's good. Now go put it where you want it.
Get it here. Attach it to here. Pull it away. There.
And you want to weld it on this guy?
Yes.
Are those my rockets? Get out of here. You're grounded. Go.
You are.
You're not welding my rockets.
I'll weld you.
I don't know how spark plugs weld.
Kind of. It fits in at me.
Put it right. You're going to just burn a booger right in there?
Yeah.
I have a whole bunch of spark plugs laying around.
Yeah.
I'm going to turn the welder on low because I don't know. That might melt right off. So you don't want to do a big burn. You want to do a couple little tacks, okay?
Yep.
All right, we'll hit low. Never mind, it's on low. All right, let's see how this works.
Tack on there?
Killer, dude. Right, that's not going anywhere. You want more spark plugs?
Yeah.
Here you go. Here's two more, and I'll dig for some more, okay? Come on. Man, that is a good bead, sir. That isn't going anywhere. Here, I found 4. I don't know why I only have 4. On a mother load.
Oh my god. Dang.
Oh man, you're getting good.
I didn't do it.
Anybody need spark plugs welded on things? I got the guy for you. I have a challenge for you.
What?
Can you weld a USB plug?
Ready?
Okay, I'll hold it. See what you can do. Okay, I'm sure that's good.
Well, it worked, I guess. I guess. Surprise.
Ooh, that smells good.
Oh, wait. Plug it into another side.
We'll plug it into the wall, see what happens.
Alright, okay.
You do small. I don't think it's gonna stay. Alright, can we go in?
Let's see. That's not coming off. Not even kidding, I can't pull it off.
It's the new Apple upgrade. And we have a flywheel arc combination with spark plugs, timing chain, and
A USB.
USB charger.
Definitely did not get electrocuted in the process.
Nope. And we have lots more we're gonna add to it. There's a couple gears up there. We'll rate Grandpa's garage and we'll put it on the wall. That's awesome.
Yeah, it's really
You did some really good welds, man. Alright, let's go drink a beer.